Why do people think snoring just means someone is sleeping deeply? That loud sound actually has a different cause. Most people think snoring happens only because of deep sleep, but that's not totally true. You see, snoring happens when airflow through the nose or mouth is partly blocked, making the throat tissues vibrate. So what's really happening? If you have nose, just hit like, subscribe, and share this fast. In the end, that rumbling noise is simply air moving through a narrow airway while the body relaxes during sleep.